So realtors, are you stressing why you're not getting subscribers on your YouTube channel? Most realtors start obsessing over the wrong thing when they're putting together their YouTube channel. You're stressing about subscriber count. Today I have 12, tomorrow I have 20, then I have 30. I need to get to that 1,000 mark to monetize. I'm going to save you some frustration because subscribers doesn't really matter. I know you've heard that's all you need, subscribers, and you get the silver plaque, but it's not the subscriber count. It matters to get your content monetized. But let's face it, you're not here to become a full-time content creator. You're on YouTube to sell homes. That's what you do. So putting out content that people watch is more important than the subscribers. We're going to get into it now. My name's Robyn Cavallaro. This is Stop Chasing, Start Attracting. It's a channel where realtors come to grow their brand, build their authority, and reinvent their life with real estate. So now on the subject of subscribers, because I used to obsess, and sometimes I still do to an extent, but what you need to know, the fact of the matter is, and I'm going to show you in this statistic, about 75% of the viewers to your channel are not subscribed. So that means 75% of the people that watch your content have not hit that subscribe button. They probably don't hit the like button, but they still watch your content. They might not make comments, but they're watching. They're lurking in the background, waiting to make their strike. They're waiting to make that phone call because you're going to give them that piece of content at one point in time that says, aha, now is the time for me to buy. Or this is the person I want to choose to sell my home. And that's a reality. I get all of my business from online content. I do not do print. I do not call expired leads. My buyers are coming to me and sellers because I educate first. I don't even ask. Well, I do ask for the sale. I shouldn't say that. I always say in my video that if you're looking to buy or sell a home, I do this. I'm your girl. But I'm delivering impactful content that they need to know about. And that's the important thing. Create content that means something to your buyers and your sellers, and the business will come. What you also need to understand about YouTube is your content is evergreen. I have viewers watching videos that I made 5 years ago. And they'll say, hey, I saw you had that house for sale. And I'm thinking, I don't have a house for sale up there. And then they tell me I'm like, well, yeah, I sold that house 5 years ago. That's why it's so cheap. But they're still watching my content 5 years later. And I do make a couple of pennies off of it. But the thing is, if you are creating impactful content, it'll start to show up in their feed. They will call you because you have positioned yourself as an expert. And if you're having struggles positioning yourself as an expert, you want to check this out. The Agent Authority Lab. I'm opening the doors in a couple of, probably in September. It is a 6-week, 1-hour Zoom call lesson, workshop, masterclass. I am teaching it live. It's not recorded. It's 6 weeks. You get a workbook, and it will take you everywhere from building your authority statement to getting you comfortable on camera to going over what content and where you should post it. You will find it incredibly helpful. And if you're interested, or if you or your broker might be interested in me teaching a live or virtual class and your brokerage, you can contact me right here at Agent Authority at robyncavallaro.com. Thanks for watching this episode, and check out this next one. You might like it. All right, until next time, I'll see ya.